Imagine waking up one morning to find that your money doesn't go as far as it used to. The harsh reality of inflation has become all too familiar for many Americans, and some areas are feeling the pinch more than others. But here's the shocking truth. Tampa Bay has just been named one of the worst areas for inflation problems, according to a recent report by WalletHub. This staggering revelation has left many wondering what's behind this trend and how it will impact their daily lives. To understand the scope of the issue, let's dive into the numbers. The report analyzed the Consumer Price Index, CPI, changes over the last 3 months and the last year across 23 major metropolitan areas. The results showed that the Tampa-St. Petersburg-Clearwater metro area has the third highest rate of inflation in the country. Within the last 3 months alone, the CPI has increased by 1.10%, and when compared to the same period last year, it has risen by a whopping 3.30%. To put this into perspective, the national year-over-year inflation rate stands at 2.7% as of July, which is still above the target rate of 2%. So, which cities are struggling the most with inflation? The top 5 metros with the highest rates of inflation are Seattle, Tacoma, Bellevue, WA, San Diego, Carlsbad, California, Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Florida, St. Louis, Michigan, Illinois, and New York, Newark, Jersey City, New York, NJ, PA. But here's where it gets controversial. Some experts argue that the current inflation rate is not entirely bad news, as it can be a sign of a growing economy. On the other hand, others claim that it's a clear indication of the country's economic instability. And this is the part most people miss. The impact of inflation on everyday life can be significant, from increased housing costs to higher prices for basic necessities like food and healthcare. As we navigate these uncertain economic times, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to the changing landscape. So we want to hear from you. Do you think the current inflation rate is a cause for concern, or is it a necessary evil for economic growth? Share your thoughts in the comments below. To learn more about WalletHub's study and see how your city ranks, click here. https://wallethub.com/edu, cities inflation 107537.